Changing your future starts with changing what you believe in. By changing the beliefs that are limiting, not helpful, that are holding you back, you change your future. In this video, we'll learn how changing your beliefs can change your future. I'll show you how negative thoughts hold you back and how positive thinking leads to success. Welcome to Be the Glow. Beliefs are the thoughts and ideas that we hold to be true about ourselves, others, and the world around us. They affect how we see things and what we do. Good beliefs can help us succeed, while bad ones can hold us back. Changing bad beliefs to good ones can make a big difference in our lives and help us have a better future. By releasing old beliefs, anyone can improve their lives, and it happens to be the primary task of anyone serious about changing. Since only a change in self-beliefs can produce a change in actions, and thus a change in outcomes, it would be impossible for a person to make a significant change in their lives without changing his or her beliefs. If you are the type of person who doubts this, then you should at least be open enough to consider the possibility. The great thing about beliefs is that you picked them and that you can let them go. The way you get rid of limitations is by taking action and developing new, empowering beliefs. Develop a belief that you can do anything you set your mind to and work for it. Successful and happy life follows strong and empowering beliefs. Those are the engines behind our lives. They can bring us everything we want, or they can take us far away from everything we are aiming for. Just make a good choice when choosing your beliefs. Choose the ones that will help you soar up to the stars. It's quoted by Henry Ford, and it's rooted deeply in our minds. Most of our actions are a result of our beliefs. If we believe we can do it, we do it. If we believe we can't, we finish talking about it, and we never even try. Why is it happening like this? The brain does not need obstacles. It needs solutions. So, in order to be right and to pair with the image it has of us, the brain will think in a comfort zone. If you give it a belief that you can't go any further, it will trap you into thinking and doing things that will not take you out of your familiar surroundings. The good news is that everything is a result of a cause. Just because a negative belief is present does not mean that you have to accept it. Whatever your beliefs are will become a self-fulfilling prophecy and drastically affect your future. You aren't born with these negative beliefs. Rather, over a period of time, you pick up these beliefs by gathering data from your own experiences and the experiences of others around you. If you had experiences such as trauma, abuse, or dysfunctional core families, then most likely you became a magnet for core beliefs that are keeping you in a belief system where what you would like to predict does not become a reality. Changing beliefs will not only allow you to break free of the negative chain, it will also build up a sense of confidence. For example, if you're currently trapped at an income level and believe it's very difficult for you to earn more money, with this mentality, your chances of making significant money will be zero. When you change this to a belief that it's actually possible to learn and earn more in life from time to time, it will give you the opportunity to make progress and find ways to develop that you might never have thought of before. Have you ever said to yourself that getting rich and successful requires blood, sweat, and tears? I used to think this way about success, but after years of studying success principles and reading countless stories of people who created massive success quickly and with seemingly little effort, I've come to realize my attitude about success was flawed. We may have limiting beliefs in any area of our life, with regard to our work situation or level of satisfaction, our personal abilities or potential, success or how we can contribute, and even with our personal relationships. These are restricting beliefs that truly restrict our power to create and enjoy the life we truly desire. Most of us have a limiting belief that creates self-doubt and lack of confidence. Every time we strive towards a new, bigger goal, we hold ourselves back with negative thoughts. They work hard to limit our abilities and keep us from doing the things we want. However, most other people can't tell what we're believing, so we never get called to task about these self-limiting beliefs. The main effect of our limiting beliefs is that they keep us from starting or sabotage us as we're creating the plan to get where we want to go. You already are the person you are looking to be, feeling, having, doing, and succeeding. Only your mind and feelings are denying the fact and keeping it away from your own self. I already know that all of you are able to draw anything into your life. You have to know it is you who is keeping what you want from drawing nearer to you. You stop good things from flowing into your life when you stop yourself from feeling good. Regardless of who you are or what you are currently in life, your thoughts about yourself can block your joy, happiness, and success. When you change your beliefs and believe in yourself and your abilities, others are more likely to believe in you too. And here is how you can do that. Reverse upsetting statements. If you are a negative magnet and are constantly attracting upset, such as not a cent in your pocket, your pen explodes in your fingers, the phone is busy when you try to call it, write the opposite of these upsets. Then, begin to work on reversing at least 3 of these every day for 21 days. Say affirmations to yourself. To use positive affirmations effectively, start by selecting affirmations that resonate with you. These are statements that reflect qualities or outcomes you desire, such as, "I am confident," or "I attract success." Repeat these affirmations with genuine emotion, feeling the truth of each statement. Incorporate them into your daily routine, saying them aloud or silently whenever negative thoughts arise. By consistently affirming positive beliefs about yourself, you can shift your mindset and cultivate a more optimistic outlook on life. Here are some examples of affirmations you can use. I am worthy of love and respect. I am capable of achieving my goals. I deserve happiness and abundance. I believe in myself and my abilities. I am grateful for the opportunities that come my way. Another way to change core beliefs is through cognitive behavioral therapy. This approach focuses on identifying and challenging negative thought patterns in order to replace them with more positive and realistic beliefs. Additionally, mindfulness practices can help individuals become more aware of their thought processes and begin to shift towards a more positive mindset. We all have core beliefs. Some are rational, others are not. Some are helpful, others are not. In an ideal world, the way to change a limiting belief would be to simply change the belief, discard the old belief, and replace it with a more useful belief. Repeat as necessary. This 2-step process works really well with many aspects of our lives. It's straightforward, simple to understand. If you're determined to leave limiting beliefs in the past, type "enough" in the comments below. Let's see how many brave souls are taking charge of their futures and saying no to self-doubt. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.